Hi, for all you vocabulary enthusiasts out there, we are back with our second lesson on mnemonics. In this lesson, we will cover 5 important and frequently used words in English and the tricks to memorizing these. So let's begin. As we discussed in our last lesson, mnemonics are clues such as pictures, acronyms, example phrases, stories, and so on that help us remember a word effectively. So, our first word for this lesson is chimerical. Okay, this word is an adjective, or we can say a describing word for something such as an idea or notion. For instance, we can say a chimerical idea, a chimerical notion, a chimerical dream, etc. Let us explore where this word came from. The word chimerical comes from Greek mythology. Chimera names a fire-breathing female monster with a lion's head, a goat's body, and a serpent's tail. So chimera is mythical animal formed from parts of various animals. And that is the word mnemonic for you. Thinking from a biological perspective, such a creature is fantastically visionary, or you can say imaginary. So, the word chimerical stands for a thing which is hoped for but is illusory or impossible to achieve. Something that is fantastically visionary. For example, a time machine is a chimerical notion. Our second word is encroach and it's a verb. This word sounds like a cockroach, so we will build a mnemonic around the same theme. For the word encroach, the word mnemonic is cockroaches encroach into our kitchen and bathrooms. Now, can you guess the meaning? To encroach means to intrude on a person's territory, someone's rights, someone's personal life, etc. etc. Next is the word remiss. It's an adjective. This word has a fairly easy mnemonic. Break down the word into re and miss. The prefix re means again, like rewrite means to write again. So the word remiss describes someone who misses the target again and again, and such a person lacks skill and focus. So remiss means lacking care or attention to duty, negligent. Our fourth word is panache. It's a noun. The word panache sounds like moustache, and moustache is a symbol of elegance. So the word panache means flamboyant confidence of style or manner. An example sentence would be a quick wit, a good mimic, a wonderful actor. He entertains his audiences with great panache. And our last word is brazen. It's an adjective. The word brazen means made of brass. The best mnemonic for brazen is the simile as bold as brass. This is a simile that uses repetition for emphasis, for the word brass in one of its meanings implies boldness. So the word brazen means bold and without shame. Like here is a snap of a brazen bull. Notice the look on his brazen face, bold and without shame. Another point to remember is that for many centuries, brass has been associated with hardness, insensibility, boldness, and these characteristics lead to expressions like brazen faced, brazen it out, which means to endure an embarrassing or difficult situation by behaving with apparent confidence and lack of shame. A cool example for a brazen-faced character that comes to my mind would be Johnny Bravo. It's a famous cartoon character. And now we have some other word notes for these 5 words. We'll first test your definitions of the words learned so far by filling the right word in the blanks of the example sentences. And secondly, we will attempt to memorize the synonyms and antonyms of each word. When he visited his farmhouse on the outskirts of the city, after a year or so, he realized that someone had dashed upon his territory. The sentence suggests that someone has tried to butt in or encroach upon his territory, very much like cockroaches do. So, encroached is the correct word. Similar meaning words for encroach are intrude, trespass, impinge, obtrude, impose oneself. She was put off by her friend's dash attitude and excessive show of pride. Well, the correct word is brazen, which means bold and shameless. Some synonyms of brazen are bold, shameless, as bold as brass, forward, presumptuous, brash, immodest, unashamed, unabashed, unembarrassed, unblushing. Ideas such as time machine, teleportation, etc. exist only as concepts and are dash as opposed to real. A word that means fantastical or imaginary goes into this blank. So the correct word is chimerical. Some synonyms for chimerical are fabulous, fanciful, fantastic, fictional, fictitious, imaginary, imagined, invented, mythical, notional, unreal, visionary. The media are often accused of being dash in their duty to bring information to the public from an impartial point of view. The correct choice for this blank is the word remiss, which means negligent or irresponsible. The synonymous words for remiss are negligent, neglectful, irresponsible, careless, heedless, unthinking, unmindful, lax, thoughtless, slack, slipshod, lackadaisical, forgetful, inattentive, unheeding, and antonyms are careful, diligent, and painstaking. Of all the contemporary actors in Bollywood, few have his dash and sense of style. The correct word is panache, which means flair, flamboyance, and confidence of style and manner. There are many synonyms for panache: flamboyance, confidence, self assurance, style, stylishness, flair, elan, dash, flourish, verbs, jest, spirit, brio, eclat, vivacity, vigor, gusto, animation, liveliness, vitality, and enthusiasm. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.